In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Fiverr. Ensuring you have the right payment setup on Fiverr is crucial for smoothly managing your earnings, so let's get started. First things first, make sure that you are logged into your seller's account on Fiverr. This is important because without access to your seller's dashboard, you won't be able to proceed with setting up or changing your payment methods. Once you've confirmed you're in your seller's account, direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on My Business. As you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. What you're going to do next is select Earnings from this list. Doing so will take you to your Earnings screen, which is essentially a hub for all things related to your financial activities on Fiverr, including payouts and payment methods. When you arrive at the Earnings screen, look for an option named Add Payout Method and click on it. This action will trigger a pop-up window, which provides you with several options for setting up your preferred method of receiving payments. The options you'll see include adding a Payoneer account, opting for a bank transfer, or using a PayPal account. These choices are relatively straightforward, but if you're unsure which method to choose, consider factors like transaction fees and processing times, which can vary by service and location. Once you've made your choice from these three options, Fiverr will prompt you to complete a verification process. This step is crucial because it ensures the security of your transactions and personal information. The verification varies slightly depending on the payout method you've selected. For example, if you choose PayPal, you might need to log into your account to authorize the connection. Similarly, with Payoneer or a bank transfer, there might be additional details required to ensure everything aligns correctly with your linked accounts. Simply follow the on-screen instructions carefully, providing any necessary documentation or confirmations as requested. And that's it. Once you've successfully completed these steps, you'll have added a new payment method to your Fiverr account, enabling you to manage your earnings more effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and happy earning on Fiverr.